2, 3, go. I love candy. I love candy. I love candy.
That's just a lot, right?
What? Oh my!
Ready to leave?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where are we going? Off to our first campground. Nickerson Campground. Yeah. Our first campground.
2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds.
Hey, the campus, whoa!
He's got to put out his mirrors. Forgot something. We forget anything else? We're good to go.
Why are you?
This was our first camping trip of 2025. After a seemingly long winter, we all were ready to head out and enjoy some much needed fresh air. So out of suburbia and into the country, we traveled to Nickerson Park Family Campground in Chaplin, Connecticut.
Right here, we're pulling in.
We'd like to keep our first trip of the year close to home, just in case we have an issue, especially after making a few modifications to the camper over the winter. Stop. All guests and visitors must register at office.
On this trip, we stayed on site R39, a 30-amp site with water but no sewer. The site was spacious, private, and backed right into the Nottachog River. However, as this trip was in early May, the river was still too cold to swim or tube. Although we did hear that in warmer months, people often put their tubes in at the state park and then mosey on down to their sites. It's not scary, just keep it on the end.
Mine don't bounce.
It's still not dark, it's like really dark.
Last one. Paula, don't run. Write your name.
We aren't quite sure where Shane learned his dance moves, but he sure did have a good time.
I love candy. I love candy. I love candy.
Nickerson Park Family Campground has more amenities than just the river. They feature a camp store, small arcade, billiards and ping pong tables. They have a piano and game closet. They also have a well-kept playground, basketball and volleyball courts, a horseshoe pit, bike trails and river trails. And while we didn't take advantage of it, there is also on-site laundry. They offer worship service every Sunday, and they give 10% of all camping fees back to local communities and missions.
On the next adventures of the Adventuring 5, we have these crazy kids in the background. One of their favorite things so far has been this tire swing. It is now 7 o'clock, past their bedtime, and it's a beautiful night, and all they want to do is play on this playground.
We're getting a tour. Okay, I want to help. This is our tire swing on right now, and James pushing
Put it on
us.
calling, Jelly.
Higher, higher.
Just to lose the camera.
Hold it towards you, Kelly.
I can't! And this is how we be going faster like that. Daddy! Closer! Please! It's taking me!
To this day, we are still not sure
Colin, you rock climbing?
what was chasing him.
Oh, what you got there?
My fake and my warm.
That was a good cast.
Much better, Jake.
What is this?
Nice. Nice, Colin.
Oh, great job.
She's doing fine.
Let me just cut this off. It's safe. It's not.
No, she's not whining.
Say, go get mine.
And sometimes it rains. The many joys of camping.
Had to make a run for pillows and eye drops. At where, Colin?
Ice cream shop.
No, we didn't get pillows at the ice cream shop.
Good idea, Connie. Ice cream shop pillows.
We had to stop at Walmart.
There it
Look at this one.
What is
is.
this place?
Shop.
This
Kinda weird.
Whoa, look at the cool
It's all colorful, huh? We didn't visit Natchitoches State Forest during our visit, although we had heard it's a beautiful park. With rain in the forecast and forgotten supplies, we made a trip to the local Walmart. We then headed downtown to a local ice cream shop, Willi Scoops, which can best be described as clean, friendly, and delicious.
ice cream sign.
Got me a big scoop.
Yeah. Is it tasty? Is it your favorite ice cream ever? It is?
There's a 100 Dalmatian fire hydrant.
What?
Yeah.
Where?
Wait a minute. Look, do you see that fog in that spiral thing?
Oh, way down there. You're right.
Afterwards, we explored more of the downtown, some of the walking trails, the train yard, and encountered the great dog poop shoe mystery of 2025.
Joey, I'm right
Did you hear that?
here. Look you.
Why is someone doing that? No, someone back there is doing it.
Look you are. No, you are.
It smells again.
Yeah.
Who is that? We just got ice cream. I guess that probably wasn't the best idea. Someone is sticky.
And how?
At Nickerson Park Family Campground, there are both seasonal and transitory campsites. These come in a mix of river and filled sites. Most of the campsites here are level, and the river provides a natural filling that we really enjoyed. Throughout the campground, there was a mix of full hookup sites as well as two-way sites, which feature electricity and water. This also applies to the seasonal sites. We spoke with one of the seasonal residents, and he explained that the campground offers a honey wagon service that runs to the seasonal sites that don't have sewer connections.
If you like seeing our trips and find our videos helpful, please give the video a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.
When you're looking to book a campsite, what do you look for first? Privacy, proximity to amenities, full hookups, or maybe something else? We'd love to hear, so please leave us a comment below.
You could probably jump into the water from that tree. It might be fun. R33. Problem is a lot of these are not shaded at all, so it's all full of sun.
While the river sites don't offer full hookups, they remain a personal preference. We truly enjoyed our riverside campsite and look forward to returning again.
Walking towards the office, behind us there's sites that are pretty nice, but if we go back this way, it's going back towards our site. It's the main office. We're going back behind the office. All right, let's go. We'll follow you. The first thing that we liked was that our campground was right on the river. This allowed the kids to fish right off of our site. The campground also had many other great fishing spots. We also liked that they were family friendly. They had many board games available, a ping pong table, and 2 playgrounds for the kids. Usually when we camp, we end up missing our church service back home. However, this wasn't an issue here. Every Sunday of the camp season, they hosted non-denominational church service, which was roughly 45 minutes. The campground and bathhouses were clean and well cared for. Plus, the campground was quiet, which provided the sensation of being out in nature. Lastly, this campground is family run. They are always willing to answer questions, provide information, and help as needed. And now on to some of the things we didn't like. If you're looking for regular planned activities, this may be a miss for you. During our stay, they had nothing planned, and according to the website, they only offer activities on holiday weekends. The only thing we feel is worth noting is that there's limited privacy for many of the riverside sites. While sites like R39 provided a nice balance, some of the sites in the area of R24 to R32 are a bit less private.
Overall, we really enjoyed our stay and give this one 4.5 out of 5 s'mores.
Tomorrow for breakfast we're having pancakes with strawberries on top and blueberries on top. And my channel is called Adventuring Sticker.
Did you bring the strawberries and the blueberries?
No, don't fling it over.
How's
to
breakfast?
Me. Good.
What you eating?
Good. I'm the fork. I'm using my hand.
An easy breakfast?
Yeah.
The kids love. Episode 1. The man who lost his fish hook. Hold on. That's not how you open that. You open it like this. Okay? Kelly and Shane, you going outside today? Here's what Shane and I playing. You guys are watching this time. No, you guys are watching. Colin, just Shane and I are playing. Today on the Adventuring 5. What are we eating?
We're eating that stuff.
We had a great time at Nickerson Park Family Campground. A beautiful location, great staff, river access, fishing, playgrounds, a worship service, and more. All add to the reasons that this is one we will surely return to. Until next time, keep on adventuring. Well, we packed up. We're ready to go home. The kids have their books with their headphones on already. We got an hour to drive.